Healthcare is an essential need for everyone, and poor health has a direct link to loss of income and poverty. The Kenya Association of Pharmaceutical Industry is one of the key institutions involved in efforts to attain universal healthcare. This member organization aims to help in the delivery of quality and affordable healthcare by bringing into the market new medical inventions in human and animal medicine, medical devices, and other health technologies.
Our membership is mainly from the R&D companies, the research and development companies who manufacture innovative products in the space of animal health, human medicine, vaccines, and other technologies, and medical devices included as well.
The market for pharmaceutical products in Kenya is estimated at 8 billion shillings per annum. The government, through the Kenya Medical Supplies Agency, or KEMSA, is the largest purchaser of both local manufactured and imported drugs. The Kenyan government plans on having universal health coverage by the year 2022. Dr. Nyalita says CAPI is focused on helping in the achievement of this goal.
Our key project that we're pushing, or we aspire, is the National Reimbursement Framework, where it's evidence-based reimbursement, which means, it's affordable care and it's quality care.
The challenges facing the health sector range from the spread of non-communicable diseases to inadequate funding of new health interventions. This, coupled with the delay of getting new medical devices into the country, slows down the rate at which people receive quality health care.
The biggest challenge for us is how can we get our innovations faster into the country? And for us, it is our aspiration that whatever is available in anywhere in the world should also be available in Kenya as much as possible. And that's why we advocate for a reimbursement framework that actually defines, for those new inventions, where can we plug in as as players in the industry or in the healthcare space, so that we know that it is available to those who need it, whether they can afford it or not.
Research done by the Institute of Research Against Counterfeit Medicines stated that between 2012 and 2016, they seized 800 million shillings worth of illicit and counterfeit medicine. The study further adds that illicit and counterfeit medicine across the world is estimated at $75 billion annually.
Counterfeit, that one is someone purporting to produce what someone else is legally supposed to be producing. So it's a fake. Parallel trade is very well described or provided for in the WTO TRIPS agreement, and basically says it's trade or importation of products that are patent, and there's provision on how to do it.
Competition in the market is healthy, but this does not give leeway to counterfeiting of drugs so that one can stay on top of the game. The Kenyan government has taken measures to ensure that illicit trading will be a thing of the past.
There's an illicit trade task force that has been formed by His Excellency, the President. The good thing with this agency is that anything that is coming in or is being traded that is outside the law, it doesn't matter which sector it is in, they're acting on it.
Globalization in healthcare will impact it positively as it gives Kenya an opportunity to see what is out there in the world in terms of medical advancement.
If it's a new invention, new medicine that is available in Canada, in Japan, in Europe, or a technology, we can, bring it in as long as the need is there.
In Asia and in Africa, research has concluded that up to 80% of the population rely on alternative medicine as their primary health care. Kenya is also on the verge of opening up to the idea of embracing traditional forms of medicine. The few scientists who have majored in this field are making tremendous milestones in this research of incorporating traditional medicine with conventional drugs.
What is important is it needs to be regulated so that it is being done by the qualified people who know what should be done and how it should be done and what it does to the people.
There is no one-size-fits-all towards the challenges that are facing our healthcare systems today. That is why CAPI, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, Anti-Counterfeit Agency, and other health authorities, are geared towards making sure that every Kenyan has access to primary health care.